Let's see, TK, what we got here.
No.
Finish. Okay, it's finished strip here. So we're just gonna see what is going on near this hole that he showed us. Okay, take it off. Let's see what's happening. This is what it look inside a 384,000 kilometer engine. Oh, what's that? Oil. Huh?
Water.
Oil, man.
This was low. I think the time they were washing it.
So anyways, here we have the hole. We don't know still what happened, why there's a hole. But this is bronze, yes, a little bit brown, bronze, but come on, it's not bad. There's no sludge. Look there, that's just oil. This guy probably services his car. It just shows. Don't judge a book by its cover. Look inside here. Let's see if there's any slack on this chain. Yo, I don't know if you call that slack. I've seen cars with less than 100,000 with more play than that. So yo, this is definitely too well built. I think Honda made a mistake because they're not gonna make any money off this car. Maybe now and then. But this is some people will say this isn't a nice color, but the reality is there's no sludge. And this is rock arms. So these kind of motors, go look at the old Ford Laser, and you tell me how that Laser 323 look inside. Full of sludge motor, and the what's it, Leisure and the Rustler, nah? Full of sludge. Not bad, eh? Not bad, guys. On the Jazz, go buy you one, pay the price.